holes that you see now that I'm so zoomed in on the camera. But what you want to do is slowly begin to make circular motions, and then while you're doing that, you're going to take your rat tail comb, because that's the best option, I would say, is to use a rat tail comb. This is a very, very old wig that I had, that I had from my hair company, Snipe Hair Company. But I just decided to show you how to lay the frontal. I've already cut the baby hairs off, so I wanted to show you, and I actually messed this up, so I want to show you how you can achieve a better look, even if you actually did what I did and mess these baby hairs up, and you're still able to wear it and achieve a more natural look. Okay, so you see I'm just taking the comb and I'm moving it in circular motions like this with the hair. And as I do that, I'm going to slightly begin to push those baby hairs back there. This is conditioner on the hair, so I have it sitting in conditioner as of now. But you can see that the lace stops here, but when down even on the mannequin, it's white and very, very horrible. Excuse the eyes poked out, my daughter did that. But it's very, very horrible mannequin, and you can still see that. Imagine if this was your skin, you wouldn't even be able to see this at all. You don't see it, you can barely see it now. But anywho, sorry for talking so much. Let me get back to the tutorial. So as you do that, you're going to begin to take this baby hair here, and if you like sideburns a little like I do, you're going to leave those there. But I would take this little piece here and begin to form it in a backward motion. And I can show you some really good products that you can use, and it's best to form this portion while it's wet, so that once you apply whatever holding gel or that you choose to use, it'll already be formed, so you won't necessarily have to worry about it moving out of place. And if you're using a unit per se, it's good to do it while you have it on your mannequin head, and you can get these mannequin heads really inexpensive. I'll put some links below in the description box where you can purchase a mannequin head of your own, either styrofoam, or it can actually be the more expensive ones, but it does the same amount of work. One moment, and I'm going to show you one. Sorry about the noise. A few products that I use. 1 second. This is a little banged up, but I would even use this Gorilla Snot. And this is just a regular one. This I don't like too much, but if I'm only laying edges on a unit, not regular hair, then it's fine. But I'll demonstrate what I would do, and I'll just wash it off later. But I put a dab on my finger, pea about the size of a pea, and then you'll wipe it over, or you can place a small amount to your comb, which is basically more easier for those who are more inexperienced. You would do that and then apply it to your swoop, push it back, and there you have it, complete.